So we're leaving to go to the country now to pick up my mom and my cousin. It's her birthday. So we're gonna do something on Thursday. Not give me the one you're eating. Yeah, so.
We did end up going to the christening.
Oh yeah.
Because people take people for fool. So, see like that.
Good.
Who's that?
Come out, girl.
Is that Icon?
Come back to the way.
Oh, God.
I'm so fat, I have to do this to get the seat up.
Like what? Like what?
The car, like as soon as you turn on the car, it starts beeping for the thing.
The safety's first. Go. Go walk with the laptop.
Shut up.
Go grab it. Look at my
Nigga.
Look at my pack too, girl.
Is it even charged?
So?
Ooh, mashallah. Check the me.
I want chicken at least too.
Wait, I'm gonna go get the laptop.
Go. Close your trap.
I'm tired.
Of what, nigga? Of what? What'd you
I
do?
woke up early.
Jen, you woke up at 11 o'clock.
Exactly, that's early.
Okay, so we're in country.
What are we getting?
Fish dog.
Popeyes, nigga.
What should I buy? Can you hold the thing good? Because you always give me problems I'm editing. How? Because sometimes I can't use things. When you're ever holding it, it's always like this.
No, it's not. She's such a fraud. She's a fraud. I'm barely in any vlogs. And the only vlogs I'm in, I'm not even holding the camera.
Because when you do hold the camera, I can't use the footage. What should I buy? You like the food truck? You like it? Is it better than KFC?
No. Yeah, it's them.
You guys don't know nothing. You guys don't know good life. Well, it's not better than KFC. This not better than KFC? Obviously.
Red Bull 2017. Some really people from 2016, 2015, now when you call them, if you're there with them people there from them time there, long time away.
I got the note.
You know, she's a energy like you run. You know, she's a cool kid like you run. Shakespeare, you not like you run. Take a flight and go on the Rocky Run. Rock the run up, 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 rock the run up. Dancers are rock the run. Everybody know, rock the run up, 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 rock the run up. Dancers are rock the Rocky Run. Rocky Run and take a boy girl. Missing enough of them a fight for the title. But dancing them so Rocky Run. Rocky Run and mix it to the dance. Jesus Christ, what a dance body. Sure I do it cause your body bad. My body good and your body never.
Check.
Set it up now, come girl. Take your time with the body, girl. Not another 6:30 because your body down then. Sit down for this, 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 sit down for this. Nobody gonna make one for God, yo. Nobody gonna that's how me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for this. Damage, savage life. Damage, savage life.
With a car, she has so many things. We're leaders, we're trendsetters.
That's what I know. All I have to do is reverse and go straight, right?
Mm-hmm. So right now we're like racing to the next event venue. I don't know why these Jamaicans drive so fast, but I'm freaking scared.
We're in last place, 4th place.
So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
She's trying to avoid the potholes.
See that? You see all them things there? Jungle man. What about that woman going?
And now we have a 5th contestant.
We're in Bad Tivoli Gardens.
Are we really?
Yeah, it is. This is the back part of Tivoli.
No, keep him down.
No, you just can't open it.
You look nice. You look good, my cousin. Hair tall to your body and all type of things. Sexy Christina, make her tell Miss Nicey. So, basically, boom.
You ready?
Junior steps down, big up yourself, man. See you.
You ready? Not a girl, not a boy, not a either.
You ready?
You ready? You ready?
You see if you're bad mind. You see if you're bad mind. Come.
I had to delete everything just now. I don't mean like the app. Okay, so my little cousins are going home. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I love you. Bye. Fire. I got a good cat.
Come on, laptop and finish your vlogs.
I am.
Oh, this
I'm just gonna make a sandwich first. Bye, guys.